Today we are reviewing Nokia G400 5G. The display size on this phone is 6.58 inches with Corning Gorilla Glass 3. The display type on this phone is LCD with 1080p resolution, along with 401 ppi 20:9, which is about 81.7% screen-to-body ratio. The front-facing camera has 16 megapixel. The internal storage on this phone is 64 gigabytes with MicroSD card expansion. There is no wireless charging available on this phone. For device security, you can use the fingerprint sensor on the back and the face unlock feature. The rear camera has 48 megapixel with 5 megapixel ultra wide with 2 megapixel depth. The portrait mode is available for both front and rear camera, and this phone has 4 GB RAM. The processor on this phone is Qualcomm Snapdragon 480p Plus 5G, and the maximum video recording resolution on this phone is 1080p at 60 fps in rear and 1080p for the front. The battery capacity is 5,000 mAh with 20-watt charging. The software on this phone is Android 12. This was review for Nokia G400 5G.